Hello ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all and welcome to our channel. It's Authentic right here. Long time no see. It's been a while that I show my face right here on our channel. So today I decided that I'm going to show my face. It's been a while, so I miss you guys. Trust you all miss me too. So now let's get started without wasting much of our time. Alright, so in our previous video we talked about this platform called whop, where you can do a lot of things, like where you can leverage on a lot of things and make cool cash for yourself, right? So after I shared that video, I went on to make more discoveries and research about the whop platform, and in my researches I discovered something that really blew my mind, like something that I've not seen in any platform lately. Like I discovered it and I was like, wow, this is really massive. So that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this particular video. So if you know you have not watched the previous video we made about whop, do well to check the description section and comment section of this video. I'm going to be pinning the link, and that will be the video before this particular one that we are going to be posting, right? Do well to watch the video so that you will get the clue. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so this particular platform, I'm still going to be leaving the link to this whop in the description section and comment section of this video, so that if you have not joined, you have to get started immediately. So like I said, I shared some information to this particular platform in our previous video, and I told you guys that you can leverage on it by creating content and making affiliates and stuff like that, making money from here, doing a lot of things right here. So you guys can see the interface right here. So you just have to create content on this particular platform and post it. This particular one will pay you 0.30 cents per 1,000 views that you got, right? And if you scroll up a bit, you see this particular one will pay you as high as $1.50. This is called Golden Nutritions, right? So if you make content around this Golden Nutrition, all you have to do is just to tap on it and discover the type of content that they want and the way they want the content to be. Okay, so just little let me just say a reel like that, because if you take a look at the platform right here, you will see that you just have to make an Instagram video, which is probably a reel, post it, and the 1,000 views you got on your Instagram, they will be paying you $1.15 right here, which is unlimited, and so on and so forth, right? So this particular one will pay you as high as $4 per 1,000 views, and you just have to make a content, post it on your Instagram, your TikTok, your YouTube as well. So these are the supported platform where you can make a content and post it, and you get as high as $4 per 1,000 views, which is still very massive, right? So make sure you jump on this particular platform immediately after watching this video. So this one is not let's say I'm not a content creator or stuff like that. This is for everybody, regardless of whatever you are doing. So far you have a social media channel on any of the social media platforms, be it YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and so on and so forth. Just make sure you join this whole platform immediately after watching this video. The link will be in the description section and comment section of this video, like I said. So after that, you come and download the app right here. So I've already downloaded the app, but I want to make use of the web version in this particular video. So without taking much of our time, let me head straight and show you guys the discovery that I made that really blew my mind. Okay, so this is it right here. Okay, you have to come to this particular place that they wrote dashboard. That is, after joining, come to this dashboard right here. If you are accessing it from the web version or from the app version, all right, so you come to this dashboard area, and you will see what they wrote right here. Getting started with whop. The average creator on whop makes $7,382 per month. That is per minimum, which is very massive, guys. So you can scroll up a bit and see where they wrote create your whop shop. We are not here to create whop shop for now, but you just have to explore this particular platform and see what works for you. So this is it right here. They say want to learn how it works, whop University. So this is where I made the most shocking discovery, right? And let me just open it and show you guys what I saw. So if you click on this place that I wrote join whop University, you wait for it to load up. Then they will bring you to the interface where you have to, okay, I think it's loading up. Let's just wait for it to come up. Okay, yeah, it's loading up. So we just have to move out this app section. So once you are in this particular whop University, then you can see something over here. You can see overview, this one, getting started. So all you have to do is just be scrolling this button right here, just be scrolling it, okay, till you find this one that says content rewards. Hope you guys can see it, content rewards. So you tap on it, the content reward, and wait for it to load up, okay. All right, so this is the content reward right here. You can see what they wrote, right? So this is a campaign that is currently going on. They say content reward, whop YouTube video, okay. So this campaign is currently going on. If you take a look at your dashboard, you will see that they have as high as $25,000 for this campaign, and as at the time of making this video, they have paid out $18,900. So we are left with few $1,000 right here. And this campaign is going to last for this campaign is going to last for 128 days, okay. So we don't really know, maybe after this money elapses, whether they are going to pump in more money till the campaign ends, or that will be the end of everything. But this is where I made the discovery that really shocked me. So you guys can see this reward, okay. They are going to be paying you as high as $50 per 1,000 views on YouTube, which is very, very massive, guys. So you can see the platform where you'll be posting is YouTube, and you are going to be paid $50 each 1,000 views you get on your video, guys. So if you click on this content reward right here, tap on the main content reward, then you will see the conditions, right, necessary for you to get accepted. So these are the things that you need to do. You just have to take your time and read through all those things one after the other. Like I said, this is not the one you should come and say, I'm not a content creator, I don't really know how to do it. Just set your camera, show your face, and just tell the world about whop platform. Just submit it, follow me step by step guide as you are seeing what I'm doing right here. So these are the requirements right here. The video must be 5 minutes long and above, you guys can see. Just make sure you meet all these requirements. So once you create your video and got it done, you just have to come here and click on this place that they wrote submit button. Then you guys can see what you require to do, and for you to be accepted right here, you just have to, after creating the video, you come here and provide the video link that you posted in your YouTube, because they have to confirm the video and verify it before you will start making your money. So you post the link from YouTube, just copy the YouTube video link, paste it here, and upload the original content that you created right here. Then you click on this place that they wrote submit button. Okay, so you wait for them to verify your content. If you meet all the criteria and you are good to go, you will start getting paid for your content. So guys, even YouTube don't pay as high as this. Like, this is really mind-blowing. $50 per 1,000 views. This is really mind-blowing, guys. So immediately after watching this video, just do well to set up your own whop platform. Like I said, the link to this particular platform will be in the description section and comment section of this video, okay. So you just have to make sure you follow the link, join immediately, and download the app as well, okay. Sign up and stay tuned on our channel, because I'm going to be getting you guys posted wherever, or let me say whenever there's any latest updates in this platform, I'll still keep you guys posted, all right. So stay tuned on our channel, and this is just the discovery that I made, and this is what I really want to share with you guys. So if you really found value right here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if this is your first time coming across our channel. Also turn on the smart post notification bell, so that whenever we make a content, you are going to be notified. Like and comment on this video. Kindly share this video so that it will reach a wider range of people, okay. So thank you guys for watching. Till I come your way next time, I still remain your humble boy, Authentic. So peace out and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.